Hello from Slovenia again. Uh, Today I decided that I will play with my hair dryer a little bit. I mixed some of my favorite colors. I like this combination. I have phthalo blue, greenish blue by Amsterdam, turquoise green by Amsterdam, some craft paint gold, permanent red violet, and my pearl white mixture. And I want to do kind of a chaos pour here and have some white negative space there. It's a pearl white, so I'm expecting some, I don't know, reaction. So I will just pour some of this paint here on the bottom. I want this purple next, red violet, and gold. This turquoise. Greenish blue. Oh, and this is my consistency. On the thin side, I mixed my paint with my pouring medium with 2:1 ratio, and then thin it down with water. And I will drizzle some pearl white in here too, to maybe create some effects. And the rest I will pour right here on the canvas. Okie doke. So let's do that. I like that, but I'm not a fan of this part. But I like this chaos here. I like the colors. I like some reaction from my pearl white. So let's think about it. I will just check my sides here where I'm happy. And since I have quite some negative space, I will add some color here and blow a little more. So let's do that. So here she is wet. I'm pretty sure that it will dry really beautiful with those gold and some nice lacing. So if you like that, use pearl white as your base. Yeah, I'm happy with it, so can't wait to see it dry. She's not dry yet, but it's drying, and I just want to show you, you know, the colors, that how they will look dry. They are dry here, but not in the middle. But we are getting there, and I love it. As I said, this is one of my very favorite color combination to use together. I don't know why, I just love blues and purples with some gold. And now I like that bottom part, you know, I wasn't quite happy with the pearl white, but now I am. Yeah. So happy, happy, happy. Tell me what you think about it. I really think that those Chaos Dutch pours are really cool. I love them, and I love doing them. Not as good as some of people on social media, but still love it. Yeah. So this was it for today. Have a nice Wednesday. And on Friday I will just use, Friday video, I use the scrape of paint and try to turn it into a painting. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!